No need to be sad and gray this rainy season because here at O Shopping, it's raining discounts. When it rains, it's for. Get unbelievable savings on these products. Save 800 pesos on the Elizabeth London towel set. Now only 1,795 pesos. Save 1,000 pesos on the Lifestyle Stone cookware. Now only 2,995 pesos. Save a whopping 2,000 pesos on the Bolzano air fryer. Now only 2,995 pesos. Save 3,500 on the Nullipop multi-blender from 9,995 pesos, now only 6,495. Visit oshopping.com.ph for more details. O Shopping, making life easy.